Hey Eric, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, it is a good looking site. These forms and call to actions are really good to have. That will help with your conversions. I'd recommend maybe putting the click to call maybe up a little bit for the same reason, but it is a good looking site. One thing I would recommend would be to have some more content on this homepage. And the reason that you want more content, Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7, looking through all this content, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they are looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here is an example of a keyword, Dallas foundation repair. And so when your customers are searching this, the first thing that is popping up here are some ads. But if you scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp, and then a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if you scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website would be ranking. And so the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And it is super important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on the first page here. And the top 3 get a lot of that traffic. So let's take a look at this number 1 ranking website. It looks like you guys are already outranking them with the content portion, but let's take a look at the back end of each one. So I have Premier Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and so we're going to look at ratings pulled from the Google data. And UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so they have 35 and 7 coming from 3.22 thousand backlinks, coming from 188 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to know that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And so you want to be intentional whenever you're selecting backlinks. And Premier has 290 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. And immediately you guys have a great, powerful website. You guys have 78 and 45 from 14.2 thousand backlinks from 3.55 thousand referring domains with 317 keywords on your website. And so there are a few things. There's a number of things that could be causing the other Premier to be ranking higher than you, even though your website is more powerful and trustworthy. It could be the quality of your links, load speed, on-site SEO, citations. It could be any of those things. So there would be something that needs addressed so that you all are ranking higher, because you want to make sure that this is working in your favor. And let's take a look at some organic keywords here. And so here are some keywords that they're ranking for and that they have on their website. Foundation Repair Dallas. 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 100, 100. And this list just keeps going. And so in order for you all to get more traffic for all the services that you provide in the service areas that you service, you'd want to make sure that your website is working in your favor so that you are ranking for it. So you want to make sure that your keywords, you have buyer intent keywords on your website, and that your website is optimized so that you're ranking up for that. And then I would recommend your Google Business Profile to have more citations as well, so that you are getting that traffic as well. And I hope that this video was valuable for you, and I would love to know your feedback on it. So if you will give me a call, I would love to hear, and I'll tell you the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.